Pinapakain sila guys, oh. Hindi sila alis, lumapit na ako. Ayan! Busy sila sa kakakain. They are busy. Kahit katabi ko na sila. Ayan. Okay, enjoy eating. Enjoy eating. Dami nyo, oh. Wow. They eat rice. It's so fun. Kakatuwa sila. Bye! Bye sa inyo. Enjoy eating na lang dyan, ha? Bye-bye.